Can AI really build a complete website in under 10 minutes with zero coding, zero design experience, and just a few prompts? Today we're going to find out. I'm letting artificial intelligence do everything from writing the content to designing the layout, and we'll see just how close it gets to a real human-built website. People say AI website builders are the future, so I'm testing that myself. No coding, no templates, just AI. So here's the challenge. I want to build a clean, professional, personal website, something I could actually show clients or post online. Normally, this would take me hours, brainstorming copy, writing about sections, picking colors, creating graphics. But this time, I'm not touching any of that. The rules are simple. No coding, no templates, only AI-generated content and design. I've got 10 minutes on the clock and I'm starting from a completely blank screen. Let's see what AI can do. First things first, I'm heading straight to ChatGPT, my go-to tool for rapid content creation. Before we even think about layouts, colors or design, we need something far more important, the words that will tell our story. Step 1 is all about building the foundation, the text. It's the backbone of any great website, the part that gives everything else meaning and direction. So let's see if ChatGPT can write the entire website for me, from the intro to the services to the call to action, all with a single prompt. I type, write website content for a one-page personal portfolio. Include a short introduction, 3 services, and a contact call to action. And in just seconds, the AI processes the command and it's done. What we have here is a full text for website, complete with clear headings, concise short blurbs for each section, and a closing line that actually sounds pretty good. It's a structured, logical draft that covers all the bases I asked for. Honestly, this alone would have taken me at least an hour to write manually just to get this far. The efficiency is undeniable. But as I read through it, there's a problem that it sounds a little robotic. The tone is generic, lacking the personality that makes a personal site feel, well, personal. So I asked ChatGPT to make it sound more friendly and natural. It rewrites everything instantly. The new version is smoother, more conversational, and feels much more like me. It's the same information, just delivered with a human touch. Perfect. Now we've got solid text that's both structured and has personality. With our content ready to go, let's turn it into a website. Next up, we're diving into durable AI. This is one of the most talked about AI website builders, and it makes a bold promise to generate a complete professional looking website from just a few simple sentences describing your business. The idea is to eliminate the steep learning curve and time investment typically associated with web design. It claims to handle everything from layout and color schemes to initial content and imagery, all in under a minute. It's a compelling pitch, so let's see if the reality lives up to the hype. I've already got my business description ready, courtesy of ChatGPT. I paste in the content that ChatGPT wrote, hit generate, and wait. The system immediately gets to work. It's thinking, analyzing the text to understand the business type, target audience, and services offered. And just like that, we have a website. The speed is genuinely impressive. The layout looks surprisingly good. It's structured logically with a strong hero section featuring a clear call to action, followed by well-defined service blocks and even placeholder images that are contextually relevant. It's a solid foundation that feels intuitive and user-friendly right out of the box. The best part, this entire process took less than 3 minutes from start to finish. But as you might expect with AI at this stage, not everything is perfect. A closer inspection reveals some minor flaws. Some images are slightly off, feeling a bit too generic or not quite capturing the brand's essence. And a few text placements look awkward, with some headlines or paragraphs needing manual adjustments for better alignment and readability. Still, these are minor tweaks. It's crazy to see how far AI website builders have come. What we have here is a 75% complete website that's already responsive across devices. It's doing the work of a full web design team in minutes, handling the heavy lifting so I can focus on the final creative touches. Okay, now let's give this site an identity. A great website is more than just content and layout. It needs a visual anchor, a brand mark that ties everything together. A strong images is crucial for making our project look credible and memorable. For that, I'm using Leonardo AI to design a simple modern images. It's a powerful tool that can translate text prompts into stunning visuals, which is perfect for generating a wide range of creative options without needing any design skills. My prompt is pasted in here and I'm being specific about the style, colors and shape to guide the AI toward the aesthetic I have in mind for our tech-focused site. Within a few seconds, it generates 4 different logo options, and honestly, they look professional. The quality is impressive, giving me several high-caliber designs that feel like they were crafted by a human designer. Each one has its own unique flair. I pick one that fits the theme, download it, and add it to the top of the website. The process is seamless. I'm looking for the one that best captures that clean, forward-thinking vibe. This one feels just right. Suddenly, the whole thing feels complete. It's amazing how a single visual element can elevate the entire design, making it feel polished and unified. So, content by ChatGPT, design by Durable, and visuals by Leonardo AI, all done in under 10 minutes. We've leveraged 3 distinct AI tools to build a fully realized, professional-looking website from scratch, demonstrating the incredible speed and efficiency of this modern workflow. Let's take a look at the final result. Here's the finished website, built entirely by AI, and you know what? It's not bad at all. The structure makes sense, the layout is clean, and the colors are modern. But it's not perfect. The design feels a little generic, and there's no personal flair that makes it mine. Still, this is a huge time saver for anyone who just needs a quick, professional-looking website. Here's the honest breakdown. Pros: it's fast, fully automated, and requires zero coding. Cons: it lacks creativity and you'll still need a human touch to refine it. So, impressive, yes. Flawless, not quite. Here's what I learned. AI tools like ChatGPT, Durable, and Leonardo are incredible for building quick mockups, prototypes, or personal pages. They don't replace web designers, but they make the process 10 times faster. The real magic happens when you combine AI's speed with human creativity. AI gives you structure, you give it soul. So yes, AI can build a complete website in just 10 minutes. But this is just one of many crazy experiments I'm running in the world of AI. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop a comment with the next AI experiment you want me to try, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. We're just getting started exploring how far AI can really go, and trust me, the next one's even wilder. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.